Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit your notification button. Country girl, big up yourself. Country boss, rebel, big up yourself. Nuclear, 306, Trinibas, Clarendon boss, how many hear from you? Yo, big up Maxine, undocumented, everybody. Yo, me have so much people. Yo, me are going out the country them now. Trinidad and Tobago, big up. Belize, St. Kitts, the Cayman Island. Who else I watch it? Yo, Virgin Island, St. Vincent, St. Lucia, everybody we are watching. Whole heap of people are watching, yo. Big shout out from Countryman. Look at the screen in front of you. Come here, go right in it. You have the youth there. BEBE. Kendrick Bebe Stephen. I do a video upon him before where him get slapped with and are the biggest batty boy in Jamaica, and him all wear dressed in a mantle beer and I flex with the gunman them and the politician. But if you look on the title, you see what the title say. The politician, the pastor them, and the lottery scamming. Now, it really shocking, but it is not. But me want to go back over this thing here. BEBE was the vice chairman for the People's National Party in West Central St. James. They murdered him in 2013. You understand? Enough people are say he's a higher up member, former so and so in the People's National Party. You now call nobody name call. Them people have a whole heap of money. They must say, as somebody do it, but we up there and them retire now and them did big. So they must say him was the mastermind behind the illegal lottery thing, and the boy did have so much money. Even the superintendent them from the task force in 2012, I talk about him luxurious lifestyle. You understand? Him have so much money, him contribute to the People's National Party. You understand? And this guy don't have a degree, don't have nothing, and just wake up one day and have this tremendous luxurious lifestyle. And I just can't understand how Jamaica allow this. Now, this brother here, him also recruit police, him and some of them scammer. Cause you see how a scammer boy there, the kingpin, who put up in picture. You understand? I borrow the picture and put it up because I want to show and highlight what I do. You understand? Him was the one running all the major scamming thing, and then him a run machine too, because him recruit the police them for work for him. You understand? And one time, a little incident go on. May I show you the incident? So the Jamaican police at the time, this was in 2012, look at the screen in front of you, them plant undercover, them call it fake cop, in the CLM police station, Mount CLM police station in Amantica Bay, to try and get sorry, a hand upon the scammer and see which police mix up. Cause at the time, them the ear said the police, they might get information as the police are work with scammer and police are bodyguard, BEBE, and a bodyguard don't for the scammer them. You understand? Which me have to talk about Cambridge again, that situation there. But anyways, the police them when they in a Mount Salem police station find out that them have an undercover police boy in there, the man them beat him. Man them beat him cause him cover get blown. Burn notice. In the spy game they call it a burn notice. So the man them beat him. And then police high command never provide no information if the man did provide any valuable intelligence for them arrest any scammer in a Mount Salem police station or any police. It's crazy. A bumbling works the police set up in a Montego Bay. But it speaks to the fact that politician, police, scammer, bad man, the whole of them been linking, was linking, and still linking. Now, look on the screen again. Under the fear cap, you see where it said religious leaders have also been in under act. And Westmoreland, them in the case, Dexter Street gang and Darling Street gang, them are war now the whole place. Zoe are state of emergency down there. And this was from 2013, 2014, you know. Actually started in 2012 and now at 2021. And the religious leader them need to step up. And that's where the police them have said, and the paper, and everybody has said. But all of them church people are to keep them damn mouth shut, and them are walla in the scam money. Let's move on. So now, after BEBE dead and gone, like me I said, in the PMP, constitute the party and chairman and this and that, and he was funding a lot of politicians locally in the parish and nationally throughout the island. And I don't see how there is not an investigation into this, but that's another story. Now, you see the legacy where scammer like BEBE left on the Westmoreland scene and the Montego Bay scene. When I see it play out every day, all of the things we are going, the slapware, the this, the that. You understand? You have the scammer boy there from Cambridge. I do a video upon him. I'm going to do an update on that video there. So, this is the legacy that politicians, BEBE, gangs, and the whole works, pastors, leave on Jamaica. And like me say, the church them, they're not doing enough of anything in Jamaica. You understand? Sometimes they not even want church, certain man of them church for a funeral. Me don't know how for class them church down at Jamaica. It's like you have the country and then you have the church people there. You understand? I'm not look out upon them, but them church people there, pastor needs to do better and denounce the gang and the scamming. Yo, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification button, and check out the Patreon page. I am going to do a video. It's kind of like a gossip thing, but I guess this young lady name is, I'm going to tell you her name in a minute. Her name is Sky Hollywood, and she's in Cali, and she and Camille Lee kick off. So I don't really do videos for them kind of gossip thing, yeah, but this one look like it's gonna be a hot one. So stay tuned for that. Check out the Patreon page, the WhatsApp, Country Squad, the Giant section, YouTube, yeah, and Instagram, Twitter, whatever. Drop your comments, talk to me. I'll answer you back, good or bad. Countryman, I'm out.